What it do, ladies and gentlemen? So, welcome back to another, I don't know what this video is going to be. So I went ahead and did the motor mounts. That one. And it still broke a fan blade. Like, I made one turn and it broke it off. So I took it off. And I'm gonna switch it for an electric fan. I got the wiring, I got a relay and a button. Now I just need to go ahead and actually do it. But to do it, I need to take off the clutch fan, mount the fan, figuring out the wiring. I don't know where to put the switch. Since the battery is located in the trunk, it has the positive post and it has the negative post over there. But it has the positive, so for my 12 volt, but I need a key on ignition, so I need to figure out where the ignition switch. But let's go ahead and pull this off. I went to Home Depot to try to get this, because I had an adjustable wrench and it was not doing the work. I don't know how I did it the first time I took it off, but there we go. Yeah, see? Yep, clutch is out. Now to install the fan here. So here's the fan. It's a 16-inch. I may or may not go return this. So the fan that I'm using is just a 16-inch fan. I'm gonna go ahead and mount this. It came with the mounting hardware. It came with all that. I'm gonna try to figure this out.
You don't wanna love me. Goddamn, sometimes I just wish you were ugly. Hey, I can't even focus on talking when you touch me.
28% battery left. So I went ahead and mounted the fan. This is joints. Got it through here, got it through here. I'm just hoping it doesn't leak. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect the wire and then the relay. I don't know if you can hear it. See, the power's connected. Lights on the dash are on. And the fan's working. This wiring works. It just needs to get cleaned up. And it turns off whenever I turn off the light. I don't think that's such a bad trade-off. Just turn on the light, turn on the fan, even during the daytime. Then I won't be able to use my cool switch that says cooling fans. And the lights are blue. Chat, what do you guys think? So should I try to retrofit this in here, which is cutting this out, seeing if I can put the cooling fans, or should I just bypass that whole thing and just do it positive switch like right there? Come on, gang, I need some help. What'd I do? I'm really lost right now. The silent treatment's really not helping. I guess I'm just gonna have to bypass it, so I'll probably figure out a switch later on. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think that's gonna work with the switch because this goes in and out. And there's not enough room under. There wouldn't be enough room. All right, well, let me go ahead and finish up this wiring. I'm probably gonna set you up on a time lapse and see what happens.
When you grow up, she wanna be a model, Hollywood model, lifestyle, let's see it the lotto, love's narcotics, got a cocaine problem, but we all got problems, shout you better.
Working on all these cars, it like reminds me of like working on these cars brings me some sort of like peace, because I feel like for a majority of my life growing up I couldn't control anything. What I'm doing now is I'm soldering. I'm gonna go ahead and solder the positive to the relay. So I got these like solder wired heat shrink. I'm just prepping the wires, but I'm gonna yap for a little bit. But for a long time I was a very depressed person. I don't know why I'm being vulnerable like this, but I guess I just want to show you that you can figure stuff out and do it. A lot of this stuff I have been learning by myself. My dad isn't my dad isn't very mechanically inclined, and there's no shade to my dad. I love you to death, Dad. If you watch this, I love you, and you know this. You're just not a very hands-on person, I guess, when it comes to stuff like this. I didn't see this growing up, but I guess what he did teach me a lot of was psychology, the way the brain works. I think a lot of it comes from the same aspect where you modify and you improve. I guess that's where my love for cars comes, is you modify and you improve to your needs for different applications versus being normal. Being normal sucks. And I'd rather go ahead and be criticized for being the weirdo who gets the job done than being like everybody else. And so, yes, I am doing this on my own. No help, no guidance. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. And yes. Yes, I know half the stuff that I'm going to do is probably wrong, not good, or I could have done it a better way. But I'm figuring this out on my own with no help. And I think for that itself, I'm proud. I'm just proud of myself. Does that make sense? If I'm not proud of me, then who else is? Nobody. And the fan is on. Yeah, I don't know why I felt the need to yap about that, but if you don't think that nobody believes in you, I do, because I didn't hear it a lot. So I believe in you. Sometimes I need to tell myself, believe in yourself. So I just jerry-rigged some electric fans by myself with no, I had some sort of guidance on YouTube, but besides that, I did it. I'm like doing this in my apartment parking lot, like not where I want to be. I'm not in the position. I don't have the garage I want. I don't have this stuff that I want. But I'm working with what I got to fit my circumstances. And for that, I'm grateful. Not just, I'm grateful for God for allowing me. Because if only you guys knew, like, the stuff that has gone on. And it's not a pity party. But you can do it. You can do it. If I can do it, if I can figure it out, if I can go ahead and freaking do all this dumb shit by myself, then you can do it too. Just take some time. I think I need to remind myself that it takes some time, patience, and sometimes repetition over and over and over again. The same way that bad habits are formed, I think it's like in sets of 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 days, 3 weeks, and 3 months. The same way that bad habits in 3 days, you can start forming a bad habit, bad routine, and bad lifestyle. 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 months. It's the same way good habits are. And so I think if you stay consistent, stay persistent, stay disciplined, I think you can go ahead and achieve anything that you set your mind to. And that is one thing that my dad did teach me. Discipline, consistency, and just hard work. Hard work will always beat talent. You can be the most talented dude in the freaking world, and it won't amount to somebody who's busting their butt day in and day out to accomplish their dreams. I'm not where I want to be. I don't have the goal reached of what I have set for myself, but I'm going to do it. That's the end of the app sesh. Let me finish. So I went ahead and tried to do it, clean it up as much as possible. Here's the wiring. I'm going to go ahead and put the air box to cover the rest of that. But as far as it is done. So now, if we come over here, if you want to see, I don't even got to turn on the car. Don't mind the mess on the inside. Like I said, you guys already saw. Just turn on the light and the fans turn on. I haven't done it with the car on. I just gotta see if the fan is able to cool it enough. Finished it. There's this, and so far it's working. The fan is circulating. There's no leaks on it. Puncture a hole. Just don't know what to do with this clutch fan. I don't know what to do with it. I'll probably sell it. $10. I don't know. As far as the car, temperature has slowly been going up, but still at the halfway point. Not overheated. It has not overheated, so makes me think that it's fine. I'm just gonna have to see right now. I'm gonna go for a test drive. I'm really dark right now, but I installed this new like 5-panel mirror, so I think this is pretty cool. But yeah, it's not going up. I don't know, maybe we'll see some slight power gains. I don't know. Let's go ahead and see. I still Look, man, stance car life is freaking cool, but I do think that eventually I'm gonna end up raising it, because to turn, I have to freaking yank this steering wheel. Seat belt on, number one priority. Safety is the number one priority. Stance car. All right, let me. So let's see if it doesn't overheat. There's been a like constant whine for a while, and I think it has to do something with my evac system. I don't know if maybe one of the hoses are clogged from my CCV valve, the crankcase ventilation system. But somebody deleted that and did a bypass with the oil catch can. So that's another thing I need to dive into. But I wanted to go ahead and do this electric fan conversion, so then like that I don't have to worry about upgrade or doing another radiator again. So far it's all good. I'm gonna just go do a quick pull on the freeway real quick. I also don't want to get caught in the rain. It's starting to sprinkle because I kind of don't have any windshield wipers. I mean, I do, but they're not really that good. As far as right now, it's not overheating. I think it should be fine. But let me go ahead and get on the freeway. Good so far still. I'll fill you guys in if something happens.
A few moments later.
I'm almost back home again. Going down a little bit, like temperature wise, it's a little bit less than halfway, but it's nothing like crazy. With the clutch fan, I was always at the first quarter line of coolant temp. I don't know if that's a good thing, like a weird flex. A weird flex that my car is always cool, you know what I'm saying? No, as far as right now, I mean, I took it for a drive like 15 minutes and it's still running. You hear that? I really don't know what that is. Does it when I go ahead and drive it for a while? So I really don't know what I'm going to do. This is one of the issues. I'm happy that I fixed this one, or I addressed it. Now I don't have to worry about it. I got electric fans in my 2002 BMW 530. I think I'm pretty cool. I have a lot of stuff that I need to do to this car, little by little. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna try to make it home before I go ahead and get pulled over, arrested, or all of the above. Love you guys. I'll see you later. Go ahead. I hope like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys liked it. Go ahead and suscríbete. Go ahead and leave a like, love. Yeah, I don't know what else I gotta say. I love you guys, and I will see you guys later.